Sup YouTube, it's your boy Southside Customs back at it with another video. And today, I'll be making the DIY Ferrari shoulder bag. The bag was inspired by the pictures you saw previously. I chose to make this DIY to prove that you do not need any fancy tools or materials to make a bag look good, and that homemade bags don't necessarily have to look boring. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so firstly, I'll be using a strap that I detached from an old bag that I had. I figured this would go really well with the bag that I'm going to make now. And then I'll be using this old piece of leather from a previous project that I had. And as my main source of material, I'll be using this old jacket. I chose this because it has some rich material texture to it, and because it's tattered up, of course. I already pre-cut a piece and put it onto a bigger section of the jacket or material so that it may form the 3D back piece, which will be sewed back to back. If you're interested, I have compiled a hand-drawing sketch of the original bag design that I made. This will provide a more guided process for yourself when making the bag. The diagram will be provided in the description below. So for this section, I'll begin to hand stitch on the outer edge of this section, but not on the bottom edge, because that's where the bottom piece is actually going to be stitched to just help give the bag more volume. This is the only tool that I'll be using to put the bag together. Now that this part has been finally put together, we can now begin to turn the bag inside out from the zip area to reveal the more finished product. The same steps will be repeated for these two smaller compartments that will actually form the bag as a whole. please do not feel restricted when making this bag, as creativity has no limits.
Yeah, I got her up late night, yeah, you know I'm a drag.